Hello and welcome to the week ahead. Economic data in China was disappointing last week. Consumer inflation fell unexpectedly to 1.3% year-on-year from 1.8% previously, and imports tanked by 5.4% year-on-year to August, suggesting that the domestic activity in China has not started to improve just yet. We have a crowded macro calendar in China for the week ahead. Industrial production, foreign direct investment, and retail sales will be under close watch. However, the expectations are flat. Any positive or negative surprise could trigger a move in the Australian dollar and commodities. The Aussie dollar refrained from extending gains above 0.7730 last week. Following an aggressive sell-off in Friday's session, the pair stepped below its weekly ascending trend channel. The 0.7588 level, which corresponds to the 50-day moving average and the major 61.8% retracement on August 31st to the September 8th rise, should distinguish between a rebound to the 0.7730, 0.7750 region and a bearish consolidation toward 0.7490 and 0.7433, the 100 and 200-day moving averages respectively. In the UK, inflation and unemployment data will be in focus. The labour data is expected to remain flat, yet the inflation data due on Tuesday is going to be an important gauge, as is expected to have picked up after the Bank of England boosted the monetary policy stimulus post-Brexit. A positive surprise in the inflation data would give a hand to GBP bulls and help reverse the recent losses in cable. Yet, a negative surprise in inflation figures will hardly boost expectations of a UK rate cut in the coming months. Henceforth, the downside is expected to remain limited. Across the channel, Eurozone CPI data will be in focus. Inflation in the Eurozone is expected to remain flat, with 0.1% monthly change anticipated. The core inflation is seen flat at 0.8% on a yearly basis. After the European Central Bank disappointed on last week's meeting by not announcing an extension in the current asset purchases programme due to end on March 2017, we have seen Eurodollar gaining some momentum on the upside. Eurodollar certainly has some room to extend gains towards 1.1445 and 1.15 the figure, and to get the midterm investors considering a midterm recovery toward 1.1616, the 2016 high. Yet, of course, the momentum in Eurodollar would also depend on the dollar leg. In case of a global rebound in Fed expectations due to better US data, we could see fresh long positions building in the dollar ahead of September 22nd FOMC decision. In this respect, we will keep an eye on US retail sales and the most recent industrial and manufacturing production data due on Thursday, and the US inflation report due on Friday. That's it for this week's ahead. Thanks for listening and see you next time.